What if I told you that you could launch your very own online store today? No tech skills, no coding, no stress required. In the next 3 minutes, I'm gonna show you exactly how to sign up and set up your very first Shopify store from absolute scratch. Let's get to it. So here's the game plan. We're gonna sign up for Shopify, fill in your basic store needs, add your very first product, and choose a theme that makes your store actually look great. Simple steps, fast results. Ready? Let's go. So first, gonna go open up your browser and head to shopify.com. You're gonna see two buttons, which is login or start for free. And it's going to be asking you for your email address. So Shopify gives you a free trial period, so you can explore the whole platform before you spend a single dollar. So you click on continue with email. It's going to be asking you to create your password. Now you'll have to give your store a name. But hey, you don't need to overthink the name. You can always change this later in the settings. Just put something in, maybe your name, and keep on moving. Shopify's gonna ask you a couple of questions, but if they don't, you're gonna be taken straight into the dashboard. And the first thing that I want you to do is to go to the bottom left corner and click on settings. Go to general, head to store contact details. Here you'll fill in your store name, your business address, and your currency. Do not skip this part. This is the foundation. It tells Shopify who you are and where you are selling. Now if you go back and click on the logo, you can click on products. Click on add a product. Fill in your product title and write a short description. There's a couple of sentences totally fine. You can upload a photo, set your price, and click on save. Once you're done, you can click on save. And that's it. You've just listed your very first product. Seriously, it's that easy. Now, of course, you'd want to change the theme of your store. Go to online store. On the left side part of the menu, click on online store. Click on themes. And here you can see that Shopify has a bunch of free themes. You can browse through them, find the one that matches your style, and click on publish. Just like that, your store goes from a blank page into something that actually looks professional. And that's it, friend. Honestly, you've signed up, you've set up your settings, you added a product, and you've given your store a very good look. Your store is officially alive. Here's one thing I want you to remember. Launch over perfection. A store that's live and is imperfect is way better than a store that is fully functional but never went live. So don't wait, experiment out there, and build your store now.